This is the D minor 7 chord. Hi, my name is Tom Fontana from TheGuitarLesson.com, and I'm here to teach you the D minor 7 chord. Now, to form the D minor 7, you'll need to form a bar over the first fret of the B and E strings with your first finger, and you also need to place your second finger onto the second fret of the G string and strum all the strings from the D string, so strings 1 through 4. Most people can't play that correctly at first, and I have a few tips for you to help. So first of all, when you're putting your first finger down on this bar, don't hold it perpendicular to the guitar neck like this. You need to be angled a little bit, because that's how you'll be able to move your second finger over to the G string. If your finger was like this, then that would make it impossible to do that basically. So you need to angle your finger a little bit. And also you want to make sure that your finger is tilted on its side as well a little bit, okay? And to make sure you're holding down the chord correctly, hold down the chord and just pluck each string one by one, and all the strings should be ringing out clearly. You shouldn't hear any buzzing or any muted notes there, okay? If you do hear muted notes or buzzing, then just go back to your hand. Make sure you're holding this exact hand position. So make sure you're arching this finger a bit so you're not muting any of these strings. And make sure you're holding down nice and firm with the first finger right there, okay? Now, to practice this chord, we'll be using the chord on, chord off technique. And this is a great way to learn new chords because it's going to really build the muscle memory in your hands. So hold down your chord and strum it. Take your hand off and put your hand back and strum. Now keep on doing this, okay? And that's how you play the D minor 7 chord.